Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking over GruvenParts stainless steel machined door insert handle. This is designed to repair the once again GM flawed inserts on a part. As you can see, the GM insert is much smaller in comparison to GruvenParts. Quite a difference. If you're looking at this, it's probably because your handle is already starting to separate on your GM truck or SUV. In this video we're going to cover inserting it in there. For some of you, the insert has already come out and you're going to be looking at something similar to this. And for others, you might still have the inserts in your vehicle. For those of you that have the insert, we're going to go ahead and try to pull it out first, and I'll show you how to do that. To start, you want to build yourself a bridge. For me, I'm going to use a brass bushing. Bushing will go over the hole, as you can see. And that's going to give me an area to lift. Also, I'm going to put a washer over the top of this. Then I'm going to take my 6mm bolt and I'm going to put it down into the insert to lift. Alright, my particular bolt requires a 10mm socket. Okay, you want to do this gently, and you'll feel it start to lift inside of there. Watch everything around just to make sure you're not breaking any plastic. After all, the idea behind this is to fix the door handle, not create an issue. Alright, I feel that it has separated. And there's the old insert sitting on the bolt. Pretty easy. That pulls the old insert out and leaves us with area to install the new inserts. As a side note, when you're using your long bolt to pull out the insert, be careful not to overdo it. As you'll see here, and even a brand new handle, you can press right through it and end up damaging your new handles, let alone your old ones that you're trying to save. So be careful. Alright, the best way to remove this insert is this method here. Take your bolt, you're going to insert it in, not all the way because you don't want to touch the plastic on the other side. Don't want to be touching the handle. You just want to insert it enough that it's going to hold the insert. Alright. Now that it's in there, we're going to hit this with the torch or a lighter, and the heat will transfer down the bolt into the insert, warming the insert. Once the insert's hot enough, you can just pull it right out with a pair of pliers. Again, this is how you should be doing it. And as you can see, it just pulled right out. Best way to do that. Alright, now look at these after they're pulled out. This one is perfectly fine. This is going to work great for our insert. The one over here has obviously seen a rough manufacturing process, and I'm going to go ahead and drill that out slightly just to clean it up for the install of my insert. Now this is a 17/64 drill bit. I'm just going to kind of run it in and out of there slowly, just to clean up the junk from the manufacturing process. Once you're ready to install everything, you need to double check your fitting. Just kind of insert everything in there, make sure it feels snug before we permanently put these in. If everything feels really snug, we're going to go ahead and apply some Permatex part number 84115 onto the outside threads of the inserts. Here we are. I've got my insert, I'm not putting Permatex on it just for demonstration in the video, as I'm probably going to pull it back out and go in and out with it a few times. If you're doing this at home, you're probably just going to do it one time. It's in there. This is an 11mm socket. You want to make sure it's good and straight and take it nice and slow. Constantly checking your depth. As you feel it snug up, you'll want to stop, look at it, see where it's sitting. This one is making contact. That's as far in as that needs to go. We'll do the other side. And you'll want to insert it nice and slow, just like the other side. This one's giving me a little trouble, so what I'll do is I'm going to use an open end wrench and put pressure on it while I turn it in. Alright, here we go, everybody. Now that's going to be my 11mm, and I'm going to put my bolt in here just ever so slightly so I can press down on it while I'm turning in. Gives it a nice little bit of pressure. Check it. Go maybe another flat or two. That is all the way inserted into the handle. Once your inserts are in, you want to allow some time for your Permatex to dry. That way these inserts aren't going anywhere. They're permanent. The handle will break before these inserts do. They are going to grip tight. Alright, now that you have all your inserts put into the handle, you are ready to reinstall this in your vehicle. Give it enough time to dry, you can put this on and your handle will be stronger than it's ever been and not separating from the vehicle, giving you a better seal around the outside and more sense of security with your belongings inside. Hope this helps anyone looking to put inserts in their vehicle door handles. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Also, contact GruvenParts for any other GM products, or if you need any assistance when installing the inserts in your handle. Again, thanks for watching. See you next time.